sterilization. Here's my pouches. I have gauze, suture pack, I have dressing pack. And this is how we sterilize. These are sterilization equipment. How is your own? I don't know if you have this type. Do you have this type? Let me show you the type we have. Here the type we have for sterilization. I don't know how you operate yours, but this is how we operate ours. I'll show you because I want to sterilize. Okay, now put my packs inside this tray. So slide it inside the sterilization equipment. On the machine we have minimal, which is the minimal water gauge. We have maximum, we have waste. So as the water is minimal, that means there is no water, there is no enough water that can carry this sterilization that I want to make. So I need to remove waste. So what I need to do is, once I remove waste, then I will add water. Once this blue light goes off, then all the lights, so if I remove waste, the light will go off. If the water is enough to do the sterilization, then the blue light will go off. Then we have round the cycle. We have 121 degrees Celsius, 134. Ours is 134. Then if I want to just flash, I'll put on flash or pre on. So we have vacuum, we have where you select the cycle that you want. If I want flash, the sterilization machine will now flash. If I want pre on, same. If I want vacuum, same, just like that. Normally, initially we used to use 121 degrees Celsius, but as time goes on, we now increase to 134, which is where it will be for sterilization. Then if I want to pump in water, this is the vacuum, the hole for water. Then I will press pump water. Once I pump it, the water will now go in through these roots via here. I'll show you, this is the funnel to pump in water. So as I want to remove waste, you also see the hose to remove waste. So let's go. We don't just use ordinary water to sterilize. We use distilled water. So as you can see, it's labeled distilled water. That's what we use. We don't use ordinary water from tap. So mind you, so now I want to pump in water. If I want to remove waste, here is my hose to remove waste. Then this is where I remove waste. Let me come closer so that you see a place I remove waste. Is it showing it? Let me check. Okay. This is where I remove my waste. Put in the hose. Let me get a receiver. Hold on. Okay, this is where I will receive my water waste. So I drop it down and turn the hose. Turn it enough so that the water can go through the hose out. So now the water is going out. water is going out. I seen it through this port. So watch the waste light. Once the waste is filled, the water is okay, the blue light goes off automatically. So the water is going. That is the waste light. So once it has gone off, so I will turn off the water. Let's go. I tighten the pot back. Then you remove your hosts. So now I've removed the waste water. Time to add water. I don't know if you can see very well. So time to add water. As you're adding the water, once it's enough, the water is enough, then the light goes off. I don't know if you're seeing it. The light goes off. Are you seeing it? But for water, remember, you must press pump water. So the water is enough because the light has gone off. So you off the pump water and remove your hose. So after that, make sure you tidy up any mess. So I'm ready to sterilize. So you will see, you will close your equipment. Close your equipment. Then if you're sure that you want to start, you're sure that everything is in order, has been done, everything has been put in place, make sure you are 100% sure before you start up the equipment, because you don't stop it. Okay, now all the lights have gone. We are to start. So you check all the readings on the screen. The cycle is 134 and the door is closed, so make sure the door is locked, closed, before you start. So I'm sure, and I want to start. Okay. Door locked. The print out the first phase of sterilization, that vacuum cycle on. So this is how we operate the equipment. It stays for like 1 hour and it stops on its own. You come and pick up your pack or your pouches and place them back where it belongs. Thank you for joining me to do sterilization. See you some other time. My name is Nurse Jessica. Bye.